Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you an eggless orange fruit cake. So let's see what all ingredients we need. It's an easy method of eggless cake. So I have taken 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Then I have taken 1 cup of yogurt or curd in room temperature. It's a thick yogurt. Then I have taken mixed dried fruits. I have taken half cup of mixed dried fruits. In that, tutti frutti is there, dates, raisins, cranberries and cherries. And I have taken 1 teaspoon of orange zest, then 1 teaspoon of orange essence, taken half cup of cooking oil. You can use any cooking oil other than coconut oil. Then I have taken 1/3 cup of orange juice. This is a fresh orange juice. Then half cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, 8 or 10 cashew pieces, melted butter 1 teaspoon for greasing the baking pan. Then I have taken half teaspoon of baking soda, then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then finally we need 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida for dusting and mixing with the dried fruits. So let's see how we are going to prepare this cake mixture. For baking the cake, first I am going to grease the cake pan. This is a 9-inch cake pan. So I am going to grease it with the butter. And you can dust it with all-purpose flour. So I have greased the pan and dusted with the powder. If you want, you can use the parchment paper for the bottom line. Now I am going to add the dried fruits with little more flour. Coat the dried fruits with the flour so it will not sink to the bottom of the cake. And you can keep it aside. Before starting to make the mixture, keep the oven for preheating at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. So now I am going to mix the curd or yogurt with the sugar and the cooking oil. And I am going to start to whisk it. I am using a regular whisk. I am not using any hand blender. Give a good whisk. It's mixed well. Now I am going to sieve the flour with the baking powder and baking soda. So into the flour, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it and you can start to sieve it. You can sieve one more time if you like. Now I am going to mix all the ingredients together. So for that I have taken a big bowl. In that I am going to add mixed ingredients of yogurt, oil and sugar. In that I am going to add the flour little by little. With that I am going to add a pinch of salt for balancing the sugar. You can start to mix it. You can add flour batch by batch. With that now I am going to add the orange juice. Give a good mix. Now I am going to add the orange essence. With that I am going to add the orange zest. Give a good mix. If you want to give the orange color, you can add little bit of orange food color, a pinch. It's optional. Now the cake mix is ready. You can see it mixed well. In this stage I am going to add the mixed dried fruits coated with the all-purpose flour and give a mix. The cake batter is ready. Now I am going to pour it to the cake tin. Spread evenly. After spreading, you can tap it. Now on the top of this cake batter, I am going to decorate with the cashews. It's completely optional. If you want, you can add any other dried nuts. Now I am going to bake it for 30 to 40 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. As you can see, the cake baked well. With the toothpick, I have checked. It's baked well. For me, it takes almost 35 minutes for baking. Now I am going to keep it for completely cool down. Now the cake is ready. It is very soft and moist. As you can see, it's very soft. It's very soft and moist. Please do a try. Please do like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you for watching. Thank you.